Are you confident you'll never be sued? If so, are you confident you'll be treated fairly by the legal system? If either answer is no, you're likely a candidate for an Asset Protection Trust, or APT, Insurance for Your Wealth. You don't buy auto insurance because you plan to have an accident, or fire insurance expecting your home to burn down. Well, an Asset Protection Trust shields what you put in it against an unforeseen and unexpected lawsuit. The more wealth you have, the more likely you'll end up in a lawsuit. If you do, how prepared are you? Liability insurance policies provide limited coverage and not for all types of risks. Have a living trust and believe it will protect you? You couldn't be more wrong. A lawsuit creditor will go through your living trust like a hot knife through butter. 16 states and many countries have special trust laws designed to provide creditor protection for the trust and the beneficiaries. Over 90% of the lawsuits settle. Why? Doubt as to liability and doubt as to collectability. The APT is one of the most effective ways to create the environment for a quicker and lower settlement. It's surprisingly simple. Place a portion of your valued assets into a properly created APT when you have no pending, threatened, or expected claims. Should someone later threaten to sue you, the firewall protection provided by the APT removes the financial incentive, making you an unattractive target for lawsuit predators. Why? Because a judgment rendered against you is not enforceable against the trust's assets. Domestic APTs are not as protective as foreign APTs because of certain exception creditors like child support, alimony, and federal bankruptcy law, which overrides state law if you are bankrupt within 10 years of forming and funding your trust. So, if you want maximum protection, the foreign APT is for you because there are no exception creditors and U.S. judgments are not enforceable even if you have to file bankruptcy. Skeptical? Judge for yourself. Our law firm settled a $58 million judgment for $7 million because the plaintiff had doubts about being able to enforce the judgment. A $34 million malpractice lawsuit settled for less than $1 million. A $5 million default judgment settled for $125,000. A $32 million deficiency judgment settled for $2.5 million. A $75 million personal loan guarantee from a major international bank settled for $5 million. Each of these individuals would have been wiped out had they not had an asset protection plan in place. Given how litigious our society has become, think about how your life would be changed if a lawsuit wiped out all or most of what you have, and that you could have avoided this result with an APT. If you want the peace of mind of knowing you have done all you can to protect your wealth, contact us to see if a foreign asset protection trust makes good sense for you.